Hey everyone, today we're making soft, fluffy, low-calorie banana muffins, perfect for breakfast, meal prep, or a guilt-free snack. I've been on a journey to make healthier choices, and you'll notice a few changes here on this channel. Eating lighter doesn't have to mean giving up flavor. It's really about simple swaps that still taste amazing. For these muffins, I use Greek yogurt instead of butter to keep them moist and add a little protein. The ripe bananas bring natural sweetness, and if you want to cut even more calories, swap the honey for a sugar-free sweetener. And here's a quick tip. If you don't have oat flour or whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour works just fine. The calorie difference is really small, so don't stress it. Now, let's mix this up. Mash 3 ripe bananas, then whisk in 1 egg, Greek yogurt, honey or sweetener, and a splash of vanilla. In another bowl, combine flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the wet and dry together. And remember, this is the only workout where fewer reps still give you great results. Scoop the batter into your muffin tin. Bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to grease your muffin tin. And your kitchen will smell amazing. When they come out golden and soft, you'll have muffins that are about 100 calories each, perfect with your morning coffee or as a quick snack for the kids. If you enjoy quick, flavorful, healthier recipes like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves good food without the guilt.